All right, I just got the camper shell. All right, this is for trucks, and check out the description to find out exactly if it's gonna fit your truck. All right, so when you get out of the box, it's a little heavy because it's heavy, durable, kind of wood mixed with plastic. They give you all the essential stuff that you're going to require to set this up and hook this up. Now, they do give you an adhesive here, double-sided, not double-sided, but it's more like a rubber end, so you can actually, the panel will not slam the actual front of it, right? So when you bring it down, this is the foam extra cushion, if you guys can see that. I'm going to open it up to see how big it is, and we're going to measure it too. Now, this is very important. There's clips in here, right? You got to unclip them, all right? On both ends, that end and this end. Unclip them before you open it up, and this is securing the whole base itself. So we go in here, unclip it. Look at this bottom base, right? This is gonna be the front, if you guys can see it. And in here, there's a little LED light. Look at that. That's a plus. So we're gonna open it up so you guys can see the rest. On this part, this actually is going to hook up. It's underneath. This is going to actually grab onto your metal of your truck, all right? And this is how it kind of hooks up into it. You could twist it and adjust it. So it's very simple. You slip this in there and it clips on automatically. Well, it doesn't clip on automatically. You manually have to move it, but look how this thing is. It's very durable and large. All right, from long, it's about 60 and a half long. So 60 and a half. Look at this, guys. Inside, we have a light. You see that it has lights? Bottom? Yeah. Very simple to fold in and fold out. So you could fold this in all the way to your truck. I'm gonna show you how to fold it into. This way, and all you gotta do is fold it back and then tie it up, and there it is. Easy for trucks. Then you come here and hook it up. So very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.